How's it going, everybody? Nathaniel from RCInsight here, and today I am going to be unboxing the OnStage DS7200QBR quick release desktop microphone stand. That is one mouthful of a name, but this is supposed to be one of the top of the line desktop microphone stands, so I am very excited to open this up and take a look at what we're getting here. So, tape on top and bottom, and I'm pretty sure that these pop out. There we go, that's one. And that's the other. And then the side folds down like so. Maybe not quite the most intuitive way to open the box, but it works. And we will slide out the contents. So that is it for the box. And on the inside, there's that, which we don't need. And then there is the base of the stand. And there is the stand itself, both wrapped in plastic here. So let's get these open. And just like that, plain and simple, we've got a nice, solid stainless steel base here. That is 2 pounds, I believe. So, you know, it's not going to be going anywhere. And got some little sticky things on the bottom so it can sit nicely on surfaces, not scratch and all that. And you can just screw the stand in the top here. What way does it go? Yeah, so the top just screws in like so. Gotta put a little bit of pressure, but other than that, you're good to go. And made a little bit of metal dust underneath, but that's all good. And that is all we got. There's the stand. So it's pretty intuitive, but this is all that comes in the box as 2 separate parts. No instruction manual or anything. The box maybe not the most intuitive to open, but it works, and you know, definitely some room for this to rattle around in there as well. So maybe not the greatest packaging I've ever seen, but it is a mic stand and it's stainless steel, so like, what's really going to happen to it? Probably not a lot. It's a pretty low risk item. It doesn't really need super secure packing, and so for that, I'd say this box gets the job done, no question. And yeah, there's really not a whole lot more to this one, guys. Very excited to actually be using this thing. It's a quick release mic stand, so I'm pretty sure if I hold this down, it makes it easy to adjust. Yep. And when I let go of the handle, then it locks in place, which is super nice. But yeah, I am really excited to start using this. This will be the last video where I am using my current mic. It's not necessarily a crappy mic, but my audio quality is going to improve dramatically because I'm going to be able to have this keeping my good mic up by my face level as opposed to the mic that I've just got that comes attached to my camera. So I'm really excited for the increase in quality of audio that this is going to bring, and that is why I got this. Down the line, I will be reviewing this mic stand to let you know how well it has worked out for me in basically filming my YouTube videos. Have I found this a useful, worthwhile tool? I will be letting you guys know. But that is going to be it for this unboxing. There's not a lot to this box. Very straightforward unboxing. Like I said, there's not even instruction manuals. It's literally exactly, you get exactly what you see on the cover of the box. Nothing more, nothing less. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, click the like button down below. It is a great way for you to show your support. Subscribe for more content like this. Do unboxings, some tech stuff here and there. Not a ton, but I do lots of toys and games and other stuff as well. So that interests you, go check out my channel. And if you see stuff you like, subscribe so you can be notified as soon as my videos come out. With all that said, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And I will see you all in the next one.